Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to play Fortnite. Okay, so first thing first, you're going to send someone a friend request. You're going to go to this icon in the top right corner. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the second part right underneath what you're already on. And if you already have friend requests, you will be able to see them right here. And to find your friend, you're gonna type in their username. Let's take someone else. Dark red. You're gonna hit enter. And look, and it might take a while, but you should find the friend. Okay, second thing I'm gonna teach you how to do is choose the game mode. Right now I'm on 1v1 with every gun. But what if I want to play this one, Ultra Red versus Blue? You're gonna scroll down from where you are, and you're either gonna search it in Ultra Red versus Blue. And look, first thing that comes up. Click on it, you're gonna hit select. But then, what if you don't want to play that? You're gonna scroll down, go to recently played, and choose the game mode. Okay, so right above the play button, you should see something that says either private or public. Alright. So this is a private match, which means it will only be me and the people in my party. See, if I hit this plus right here, I can invite people to the party. That's what private is. Public, if I put it in public mode, it's gonna put me in a lobby with other people.
If you don't know what a lobby is,
And I can talk to other people. I can play against other people. We're gonna get back to that later. Another thing about this is a creative map. Anything that is not made by Epic, created by Epic Games, you should see it right here. It's a creative map. This is a creative map. This is a creative map. All of this stuff right here is a creative map. Okay, now let's actually queue in. We're gonna do a private. What you see right here is the loading screen. Those can be chosen in your locker. Okay, so this only happens when you're in a private game or you're in a public lobby that's not full already. That's not already started. So it's in the bottom right corner. It says hold enter to start. And because I'm in a private match, it'll only be me.
So what I'm doing here right now is I'm dropping my weapons so I can show you guys how to get a loadout. A loadout is where you get a full inventory of weapons.
Alright, next thing I'm going to show you is how to get weapons and utilities. All you gotta do is walk up to it and it should show you what button to press when you want to pick it up. Alright, so here says lock, so I'm going to look on my keyboard and it says caps lock all the way on the right. Left. I'm gonna hit caps lock and it's gonna go into my inventory. Right now I only have this weapon. I can drop it and then I can pick it back up again. On console, if you want to drop an item, it should show you all the at the bottom corner right here. Okay, let me get a loadout really quick.
A loadout is when you get a full inventory of weapons or totems.
Okay. So, as you can see, I just went to all of these really random vending machines and picked out a weapon. Okay. Alright, next thing I'm gonna do is show you different weapon types. Alright, first we're gonna go back to the inventory. Okay, so right on the edge of where it's at, it should show you what type of weapon it is. Here we have a shotgun, an assault rifle, an SMG, a utility, and a consumable. Alright, so here's the thing about some weapons. Some weapons are other than that. Like here. This one is a marksman rifle. And if you click on the actual weapon, it'll show you some of the stats. You have the damage, the max damage, the fire rate, reload time, and magazine size. There's also weapons like the railgun. This is a sniper rifle. Shows you the damage, 95, fire rate, 1, magazine size, also 1, and reload time, 2.7 seconds. Got that. Okay, what about this? What about this weapon right here? This one's a pistol. Damage, 84, fire rate, 0.8 seconds, magazine size, 7, reload time, 1.98 seconds. Here, and you can see at the bottom, it has 7 bullets. 6, 5, 4, so on and so on. Alright, let's try. Let's try this one. Which weapon is this? This is also an assault rifle. Alright, let's look at some of these heals right here. Alright, so this is a shield pot. Also called a shield potion. Shield potions can be thrown and consumed. I don't need to use it right now because I'm not full health and shield. What type of weapon is this? It's also a sniper rifle. Okay, some other weapons heal you for health and shield, like these. You throw it down and it'll heal you. Alright, I need a way to take damage. Let's grab this. Grab this. We're gonna grab one. Okay. So let me damage myself. See, I have no more health. It took out all of my health, but it took out all of my shield before it started damaging my health. So I'm gonna drink a small shield potion, which heals you for 25 shield. I'm gonna drink another, and then after that, you can't drink any more mini shields after you reach 50 shield. That's why you have to find a big pot after, which will heal you the rest of your HP. Alright, and then this is a gold splash that I used earlier. This heals you for health. Let's go into the stats. It'll heal you for 20. It'll heal you for 20 every time you throw it. 20 HP. 20 HP. 20 HP. Let's try that. Let's get to 50 shield. And we're gonna heal up. We're gonna shoot him again. 30 HP. See, the difference between creative and public matches, you have infinite of almost everything in creative. You have infinite ammo, infinite shields. You don't have a limit at all. You can do literally anything. Okay. So, alright, next thing you need to learn how to do is use your keybinds. If you go into my settings, you see that for my keybinds are set for me. Some people don't use the same keybinds as me. I use W, I use A, S, and D as my move for it to move forward, left, backwards, and right. There's also a bunch of other ones like shooting, how to scope in, reloading, using things, to switch to your weapon slots. For those, or you can either choose to keep them the default ones, or you can choose to change them. What I would do is I would Google how to change, like what are the most optimal settings for whatever device you're on, whether you're playing on PC, Xbox, PlayStation, or Switch. Somebody would have the most optimal resources for you to use. Alright, we're gonna look at mine. Alright, we're gonna type in what are the most optimal keybinds for, I'm on PC, so we're gonna put PC. See on Fortnite. And it'll show you a list. It'll either take you to a website or it'll just show you an answer right here. Well, that's all I have for now. See you in the next video.